Out there to you. In this short video, I'm going to calculate the deadweight loss for this negative externality. We know it's a negative externality because the marginal social cost is higher than the marginal private cost or supply, how the market looks at it. So we want to recognize a couple things. First, the free market is going to produce where demand equals supply, which is right there. That's the private outcome. So the free market outcome would be 4. And then at 4, we want to go up to the marginal social cost. So that at those 4 units, we have an extra $125 worth of cost. Okay. So this is the extra, and we want to know on how many units. So the socially optimal quantity is 2, because that's where the marginal social cost equals the marginal social benefit, or just the social benefit for the market. Okay, so we're talking about the difference between those 2 points, between the socially optimal outcome of 2 and its value versus the free market outcome and 4. So we're just going to calculate the area of this triangle right here. This is the deadweight loss due to the negative externality, and it's 1/2 the difference here, which is 2 units, times the difference here, which I said earlier is $125. So multiplied by 2, I think I can do this in my head. It's 250, and then half of that would be 125. That is, oh, and then we would multiply that by 1,000. So 125,000, because this is actually 2,000 here. So if you want the whole number, it would be $125,000, or just 125 if you were saying 125,000.